What's up, y'all? This is your girl Miko. It has been forever since I've done crochet braids, okay? But we just went to Cali and I didn't want to fuss with my hair. And you know braids is the go-to for vacation. So I decided to go with these boho crochet braids and I love them, okay? They're the perfect quick braided look for vacation, and all you're gonna have to take with you is a water bottle and mousse, and your hair is gonna look good the whole time. Y'all, I installed this here before work. It took me less than an hour, okay? So let's just get right into the tutorial. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. All right, y'all. So for the braid pattern, I wanted the illusion of individuals. So I went with the individuals across the top and then the last row in the back. Everything else is regular cornrows, and I tuck the tail into the next braid. I already had these Freeetress boho hippie braids in my stash, so I went with these. And I'm using two colors, Caramelt and T30. To speed things up, I braided my hair the night before and installed the hair the next morning. And these are so easy to install. So once you pull that loop through, pull that tail through the loop and cinch it down, and you're good, girl. And I just wanted to mention, guys, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to cover up the bulkiness where I connected my cornrows, but you can see that hair ended up sticking out and it didn't look natural. So I ended up removing those and reinstalling above the bulk, and it looked a lot more natural. So a little pro tip, to hide the loop, insert the crochet needle towards the hairline so the loop falls on the opposite side. So I'm installing my last crochet braid, and I'm going to go back in and fill in any obvious gaps. But remember, this is before work, so I didn't have time to go through and find all the gaps, but I went back and did that later. And we are all done, so I'm going to go in with some mousse to relax the braids and make the curls pop. And the style came out so pretty. I love the colors. Ginger is my new fave. This is my go-to right now. And mixed with the 30 is just such a gorgeous color combination. This hair wore so beautifully, guys. No matting, no tangling, not a lot of shedding. And I wore the hair for about 3 weeks. I actually still have it in, but it's about time to take it out. So I'm just going to show you how I wore it over that 3-week period. I always put my hair back in ponytails, which is why I did the individuals along the nape of my hairline. But again, it came out so cute. And this look is the perfect option for a quick braided style for vacation. All you have to take with you is water and mousse, and your hair is going to look good the whole time, okay? And remember to pack your edge control, hairbrush, and a bonnet. But yeah, we had some fun in this hair, girl.
Ma'am.